Hi everyone, this is Susan and let's just jump right into today's class. And it is going to be how to do this. And what we're going to do is 4 abstract paintings on one sheet of paper. If you have a sketchbook, this one I'm using is a watercolor sketchbook. And I just put them all on one page. You can do that too. So follow along with me if you like. Pick out 4 of your favorite colors. You need a blue, a yellow, a red. Senior moment again. Anyway, follow along and enjoy the class. The parts where I did some Posca pen and doodling, I have sped up. So you can always slow it down. And I also have chapters. So if you're bored silly of me talking, just go to the next chapter. It's really easy. So yeah, see you in the class. Thanks for watching. So here I have some colors left over from a previous video. Ooh, there's a purple. Let's get that purple going. Alrighty. I'm going to just kind of do some color samples. There's a nice lime green, but it needs a bit more oomph. And so we put some sap green in there. I love purple and green. They work so great together. So I'm just going to lay down some colors that I like. And here's another kind of purpley red. Let's let them run into each other and see what happens. And here, okay. And these are just little quick doodles that I'm going to do right now. It's just playtime. So I'm going to get my big one here. Let's do something really rich. And this is a type of rose. And let's get another, ooh, how about some ochre? This is another really yummy color right here. This would go good right here too. All right, well you can kind of see when I put the Jaune Brilliant down into this dark magenta rose, and I have some ochre on there. And I'll just do it again. Let's see. I'm going to put some of this yellow here. See what happens. I can see the color is flowing. And that was the Jaune Brilliant. And when I put the Jaune Brilliant down, it just went crazy. So let's do that again. Just so we get it on my camera. Okay, this time I'm going to wet the paper a little bit, just a little. And let's put down some Jaune Brilliant right there. And then I'm going to take some of the rose. And we'll put that, oh, look at that. It just jumps. Did you see that? It is so cool. And it's like a really vibrant color. This one here. This is just so yummy. Okay. So this is just playing with color. You know, get your colors, your favorite colors, and just start playing with them and see where they go, how they flow. And you can see this magenta likes to flow right into these colors here. And I'm going to this is a clean brush, so I'm just going to thin it down a little bit so it's a little lighter over on this side here. There we go. I've got some Antwerp blue. Oh, yummy color. Now this is pure pigment. I'm not mixing it with anything. And let's go with some, how about some Winsor green? Ooh, that's a really bright, lively color. Okay, look at that. And then you could take your brush and clean it off a little bit. Spread it around. There we go. So you can get a lighter hue right here. Okay, so now I'm going to try another blue. Let's drop another blue in there. Peacock is always one of my favorites. So let's go some peacock right here. And what we'll do is once these are dry, we'll go in with some Posca pans and just do some fun marks. See where it takes.
Oh, yeah. Life is our paintbrush, and we are in no rush to use up all the colors of the rainbow. Red, green, orange, yellow, blue, indigo, and violet too. These are all the colors of the rainbow. Yeah, we're making rainbows, yeah, we're making rainbows, yeah, we're making rainbows. Every day is a wonderful day. Who knows what we'll see? It could be anything, 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 thing, thing, anything, 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 thing, thing. Oh, yeah. Love is our life force. It runs through us like a wild horse. The more you feed it, the stronger it grows. Me and you are the same, just different colors and different names. We all live in the same rainbow. Yeah, we're making rainbows, yeah, we're making rainbows, yeah, we're making rainbows. Love is a rainbow, light it up and watch it glow. Life is a rainbow, just wanna let you know that every day is a wonderful day. Who knows what we'll see? It could be anything, 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 thing, thing, anything, 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 thing, thing, anything, 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 thing, thing, anything, 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 thing, thing. Love is a rainbow, light it up and watch it glow. Life is a rainbow, just wanna let you know. Every day, every day, every day, every day, every day, every day.
Mats, and they're great for this. So look at this. Okay, it's a painting. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This is really cool. And these are great. You know, keep these around. If you have a mat, small mat around, you can pick these up. They're not very expensive. I got mine from Clear Bags, and they're really affordable. Look at that. It's a painting. I don't have to do anything else to it. Or look at this. This is yummy too. This will look good here. Look at that. Yay. So this actually looks pretty good. You can get away with not doing anything, but of course I'm going to do something to that. And then here's this one. This looks, I like this a lot. This looks really great. And this one is pretty cool too. So you can kind of move it around. If you want some negative space behind here, you can leave that or move it over further that way. So it's whatever your taste is.
Every day is a wonderful day. Who knows what we'll see? It could be anything, 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 anything. Oh yeah. Life is our paintbrush, and we are in no rush to use up all the colors of the rainbow. Red, green, orange, yellow, blue, indigo and violet too. These are all the colors of the rainbow. Yeah, we're making rainbows, yeah, we're making rainbows, yeah, we're making rainbows. Every day is a wonderful day. Who knows what we'll see? It could be anything, 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 thing, thing, anything, 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 thing, thing. Oh yeah. Love is our life force. It runs through us like a wild horse. The more you feed it, the stronger it grows. You are the same, just different colors and different names. We all live in the same rainbow. Yeah, we're making rainbows, yeah, we're making rainbows, yeah, we're making rainbows. Love is a rainbow, light it up and watch it glow. Life is a rainbow. Just wanna let you know that every day is a wonderful day.
So I'm going to leave the other one that's on the other page. And I will put that up on my Facebook. And I now have a Facebook page that you can talk to me and ask me questions if necessary. And put your artwork up. I'd love to see what everybody's making. Got some more in there. Got carried away. So the link will be below, and we'll have our own little private Facebook page. And I will do my best to answer any questions that you have. I'm still getting the hang of this YouTube thing. So if I did not answer your questions here, feel free to leave a comment or put it up on my Facebook page. So I hope you've enjoyed and got value out of this and perhaps inspired. So go out and watercolor paint. And you can also do the same technique if you have acrylics. Liquid acrylic. Senior moment. Anyways, yeah. So go out and paint. And don't forget to subscribe. I would love it. I am absolutely thrilled right now because I have over 1,600 subscribers, and thank you all so much. I really appreciate it. It's getting me up there, but now I have to get hours. So as a YouTuber, you have to get at least 4,000 hours per year to get all these other bonuses. Anyway, I really appreciate your support. So have a fabulous day and stay tuned and go paint.